All right, so those designs are carried through to the part environment. Again, being able to maintain that stylistic intent across all your different parts. Okay, so what did we cover today? Through the use of solid modeling and surface modeling, we've given you some tools to match your design requirements of being fast, flexible, both in exploring those shapes, changing some surfaces. You know, let's make this softer. Let's make this, give this a little bit more life instead of so flat and mechanical. And always we're watching for the feasibility by leveraging a real CAD system for this. We're always making sure we have watertight solids that can be printed, that can go to production. We have surfaces that can be machined. We're already on the platform where we're going to do our machine design and our mold design and all those other things that SOLIDWORKS is already famous for. So looking back at how this maps backwards onto our development process, by encouraging a common platform for getting those 3D concepts in place, that gives you that enhanced communication across the departments. You've got the same data model that's being used by the artists to define their artistic concept, then gets reused by the engineers to take that into production. So you don't have a loss of that stylistic intent, and you can cut down a lot of the the disconnects between getting a concept designed and having to take it into those production details and then refining it from there on. All right. So here in this middle zone between art and engineer, you still have a lot of tools to really thrive when you're using SOLIDWORKS. The rapid variations really lend themselves very nicely with that parametric environment. And being able to explore the proportions and the volume and that 3D creativity, getting the integrated photo rendering is just fantastic. All right. So that's what I wanted to cover for you today. I can see we're already about 5 minutes over, but I want to give you a nice 30-second teaser.
Yeah, you got to show them this.
I discovered this just last week at the conference, which really takes the idea of artistic involvement in SOLIDWORKS one step further. And that is to give you sort of a digital clay with what's referred to as subdivision surface modeling. This is a partner product for SOLIDWORKS that is going to give you the ability to push and pull and build up shapes in a completely different manner to traditional 3D mechanical design. So I want to go ahead and just create sort of a little box to get me started. And let's make it about 3 inches by 3 inches by 3 inches. All right, completely different way of interacting with a shape. Being able to take this shape and stretch it. Being able to take this shape and just sort of build onto it. Being able to take some of these faces and just drag them around in 3D. We take him and move him over here. Maybe rotate this slightly. Maybe we want sort of a little bit of a platform over here. Let's go ahead and extend that face out. Let's build that out a little bit on the side. A little bit here. We'll rotate that around slightly. Maybe something like that. And maybe we also want that to be a little bit sharp on the end. So let's go ahead and increase that a little bit. Maybe we, you know what, let's go ahead and take, oops, I hit OK too fast. We're back into SOLIDWORKS now. And let's edit that again. And I'm going to take these 3 guys and find some symmetry here. There we go. Let's grab a bunch of this here. And just move it in, maybe about to here. And it's just fun.
Yeah. This is the way the industrial designers want to work. And and now we can do it in SolidWorks.
All right, so there's my idea, and this is integrated straight into SolidWorks. So I now have real CAD surfaces that I can then create additional features onto if I need to. I might decide that I need to cut some material away from the end here, maybe a bit of a circle on there, and cut that into my part. All right, and maybe out of the front here is where we're going to put some of our mechanical interfaces. We'll go right about something like here. All right, and if we need to, we can go back and make changes to that original power body. And maybe we'll just kind of taper that in a little bit. And bring this guy around like even more. Something obvious.